Great autos, cars, and coffee at CV Motorwerks. Aaron is very nice to open up his business and let us all come over here and screw around. And we have a nice assortment of dailies and oddities and everything. You know, everybody knows Grant's car. We got some rolls. Just gonna walk through, let everybody just enjoy all of our fun and frolic. Lots of fun and frolic. Ooh. Wave, Tom.
I'm stressed out.
Stressing? Well, let me shoot the video and then we will do some tawny talk. Ooh. Say hi, Adam.
Hello, Adam.
That's the spirit. The Vivian, Hazel, the Jeepster.
There's nothing to take off to put in the. Yeah.
Wave, everybody! Woo! Famous, infamous, famous, both.
It'll just turn gold. If you stop it. Or, well, we're still gonna water, but it's gonna go dormant. Yeah.
Kermit is for sale.
I know.
Anybody interested? I'll let Scott and Sandy know. It's Tawny! Tawny, 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 Tawny. Peter's T-Bird. Everybody knows this infamous disaster. Parenti's here.
No, I didn't. Fuck you. No, that had nothing to do with it.